Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can export your video in Final Cut Pro. So it's actually quite simple. You want to go to the top right here. There's going to be like this share icon, and right here are your current destination sort of settings. So you can sort of change them. So first you would want to go to add destination. There should be a bunch of presets on the left side here. I only have two because I only need two, but you can add destination. So here you would sort of select what sort of export settings you want. I think by default it's export file. You can also just select YouTube and Facebook if you want it to be faster. So you can just drag it onto the destinations right here, and boom. And here you can set sort of the settings. So usually you would just keep this the same. And now when you want to render, you would just press master file or export or whatever you named it. You can skim through your video. And now here you can see sort of the settings. And then you want to press next. And here you want to select your output destination. And then that's it. And then in the top left here, there should be the circle, and it says background task, and it says sharing. And here it says it's transcoding this untitled project. And here is the percentage of actually rendering it. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button.